I'm Kylie Charlton of Charlton King Real Estate Agents, and welcome to number 1 Jillian Avenue in Highett. It's a beautiful home. It has been updated recently, 702 square metres with this beautiful saltwater pool. Hidden behind this high fence, we have a beautiful 4-bedroom home with 2 separate living areas and an open kitchen and dining area that flows right through to the backyard. There are also 2 bathrooms, one that specifically services the back bedroom, and it has its own living room as well. So if you have a teenager or mum and dad are living with you, or even guests that come overseas, that area of the home is perfect. It's a fabulous home with an outdoor entertaining area, solar heated, in-ground pool, and a great big piece of land. With gas ducted heating and split system air conditioning as well. We are within a minute's walk to some of the best cafes that we have in Highett and Sandringham, not too far from the train station, and of course so close to the beach. But with that in-ground pool, who needs to go to the beach these days? Thank you for taking the tour of number 1 Jillian Avenue in Highett. I'm Kylie Charlton. I look forward to seeing you at our next open for inspection.